Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Real Sumi ma tapai sabai swagat cha once again. And guys, today's topic is all about unboxing. Nani ko alikiti gifts haru and alikiti mero tyo saman haru and मेरो husband le Bewakoof भन्ने brand रहेछ एउटा हैन वेबसाइट रहेछ त्यो Bewakoof बाट चाहिँ t-shirts हरु मगाउनु भएको थियो. So like I am just doing unboxing video for you all guys. So yeah, I just want to show you one by one. First म नानीको unboxing गर्ने वाला छु. यो चाहिँ मेरो आज मेरो cousin sister आउनु भएको थियो जो चाहिँ Arhant'लाई भेट्नु. So yeah, she bought this baby carrier and yeah, this is मैले यो किन्छु भनेर सोचिरहेको थियो. So yeah, finally it's good. It's very nice. You can see the color, which is very nice. अहिले त्यसमा अलिकति फिट हुँदैन होला. Maybe after a month, maybe, yeah, because it's quite big. You can see the color. Baby Hulk Racer brand say, and this is very nice, very soft material. Yeah, this is one thing. मेरो नानीले गिफ्ट पाएको उसको मेरो दिदीको बाट, you can say it's like उसको बडीको बाट. And second gift from her only, it is, oh my god, this is Mimi Poco pants. Yeah, this is very important. म pampers पनि use गर्छु अनि यो Mimi Poco pants पनि use गर्छु. So yeah guys, this is another gift from her. And yeah, I got another gift here. यो पनि नानीको नै गिफ्ट छ. And बाहिर उसको मिसेस वाइफ बाहिर चाहिँ यो ल्याइदिनु भएको. This is baby potty set. Wow, you can see the guys, it's very nice color. My god, I'm just loving it. Wow, मेरो छोरा कहिले यत्रो बसेर टयलेट गर्ने हुने है. हेर्नुस् तपाईं. Wow, this is so nice color. It's so beautiful color combination. This is from my brother Ujjal and his wife. Thank you Anupa and thank you Ujjal for this lovely gift. And this is so nice color. This is so beautiful color. I'm just loving it. Thank you. You देख्नु भयो तपाईले. अन्त मलाई अनु दिदीले मेरो दिदी जो कजन भनेको थियो मैले उहाँले चाहिँ अझै अरु सामान पनि ल्याइदिनु भएको छ. यो चाहिँ मेरो लागि नै. So I just want to unbox it for you guys. यो ल्याइदिनु भएको रहेछ मैले त. Yeah, she bought me Kellogg. This is मेरो लागि नै रे. I have to mummy ko लागि. Oats. So this is very healthy food. Maggie. Little. If I'm busy sometimes. म चाहिँ ज्यादा प्रिफर त गर्दिनँ तर कोही बेला बिजी हुँदाखेरि चाहिँ. And I love this biscuit. है किनभने यो लाइट हुन्छ यो बिस्किट. अन्त मलाई चाहिँ यो बिस्किट खानु चाहिँ मलाई पनि मन पर्छ. So like thank you, this is for me. I have for mommyलाई. And yeah, this is all. And thank you Anu Didi from you know, like I really like your gifts and I really appreciate you. जुनै पनि तपाईले ल्याइदिनु भयो उज्जल and उज्जलको वाइफले पनि धेरै धन्यवाद हाम्रो तर्फबाट. And yes, I just want to unbox another thing which is from Bewakoof. The Bewakoof.com, you can see. Bewakoof.com. दुईटा टी-शर्ट मेरो हस्बेन्डले मगाउनु भएको थियो सो आई जस्ट वान्ट टु डु अनबक्सिङ very nice, material very nice, very nice. As a first time order गरेको so like quite हामी चाहिँ अब उयो भइरहेको थियो अब राम्रो आउँछ आउँदैन oh guess what किचन पनि पठाइदिँदै रहेछ उनीहरूले त bewakoof.com ले see it's very nice thank you It's very nice and अर्को टी-शर्ट हेर्नु पर्यो अर्को टी-शर्ट ओ ब्ल्याक कलरमा wow so nice material is very good and it's from Bewakoof.com yes very nice very nice अनि हेर्नुस् यसको प्याकेजिङहरु पनि कस्तो राम्रो एउटा टी-शर्ट एउटा प्याकेजमा रहेछ एउटा टी-शर्टको एउटा अनदर प्याकेज which is very nice very 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 safe है जसमा चाहिँ तपाईहरुले राम्ररी सेफली तपाईहरुले रिसिभ गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ प्याकेज त्यो केही हुन्छ कसो very nice you know packaging is damn good I like it so yeah Bewakoof I just give a thumbs up to Bewakoof.com लाई अनि गाइस आजको लागि यति नै तपाईहरुलाई कस्तो लाग्यो मेरो भिडियो प्लिज कमेन्ट below hope you all like my video and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel which is absolutely free and please comment below share like and give thumbs up so I'll see you in my next video bye bye